Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Coming up on the economic calendar, a series of key events will be unveiled, each with its own significance. These economic indicators could influence currencies, stocks and other assets, shaping trading trends and offering strategic opportunities for traders. These economic releases provide a roadmap for what's next in the financial landscape. Understanding the potential outcomes will be essential for managing risk and identifying opportunities.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold prices edged lower while investors hunkered down for Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole later this week. US gold futures for December delivery settled 0.6% lower. Oil prices fell as traders thought a possible ceasefire in Russia's war with Ukraine might lead to easing or the end to sanctions on Russian crude oil, which would in turn boost global supply. Spot ether funds started a new week with a major sell-off, posting almost $200 million in outflows on Monday, in extending a trend that started last week. Monday's outflows were only topped by $465 million on August the 4th.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 2.7% in the last session, after gaining as much as 3% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.4% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.